Hey guys, we just landed in Vegas and we're about to go check out the VIP check-in at MGM.
The MGM Grand VIP check-in add-on includes luxury transportation to and from the airport, fast check-in, and VIP access to their lounge. They provided a Lincoln Navigator from the airport to the hotel. Our sponsor, College Admissions Jumpstart, with the perfect college prep toolkit for 8th grade, 9th grade, and 10th grade families.
We can just skip the normal check-in and go straight to the VIP.
Going straight to the lounge to check in provides a huge advantage over waiting in the large lines in the main lobby. In the lounge, you'll find a coffee machine for various drinks, sodas and waters, and mornings have mini pastries, yogurt parfaits, and fruit kebabs, and afternoons have various candies and trail mixes.
For a room tour.
Rewind, come again.
MGM provided a stretch Lincoln on the way back to the airport. Overall, it was convenient to have transportation coordinated and morning access to the lounge. I hope in the future they improve the snack offerings in the afternoon.
Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video.